Performing technical repairs is also one of Aqua Clean's specialties. Allow one of our trained and licensed repair techs to diagnose, estimate, and professionally repair your pool equipment. Not only do Aqua Clean technicians make repairs, but they also clean dirty filters and install energy-saving pumps that pay for themselves.
Call Aqua Clean Pool Service when you have that pool emergency, or you've been thinking about that free weekly estimate at 972-527-2782, or you can visit us on our website at aquacleanpoolservice.com. Your pool emergency is our priority.